Hello everyone, I'm Leroy, the founder and CEO of Cutting Edge Firewood. We are going to cook a few pizzas in our wood-fired pizza oven. We're using a small portable pizza oven, so we're going to use our mini pizza cut, and we're going to start it with our Excelsior fire starter. Using wood gives it amazing flavor and also helps get it up to temperature really fast and makes it a lot more easy, convenient, and it tastes better. All right, we are going to start our small portable pizza oven using our mini pizza cut and an Excelsior fire starter. Makes it extremely easy. You start it and then stack them in there, kind of like a log cabin. Just make sure you put some in the middle so they're directly above the flame. You want to spread them out to make sure they're not touching, because otherwise you could snuff the fire out. All right, we have our pizza here. We're ready to put it in. All right, we have two pizzas cooked over some mini pizza cut. See what it tastes like. That is amazing.